What's the meaning of CELTA? CELTA. CELTA.
CELTA. CELTA. CELTA stands for Certificate in English Language Teaching to Adults. It is an internationally recognized qualification that provides training to individuals who wish to teach English as a foreign language to non-native speakers. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to the principles of effective English language teaching and includes both theoretical components and practical teaching experience. The main focus of the course is on developing the skills necessary to create engaging and effective lessons that meet the needs of diverse student populations. Upon completion of the course, participants receive a certificate which confirms their qualification to teach English as a foreign language.